All right, language explorers. So let's listen to some Shakespeare sonnets. From fairest creatures we desire increase, that thereby beauty's rose might never die. But as the riper should by time decease, his tender air might bear his memory. But thou, contracted to shine, own bright eyes, feedest thy light flame with substantial fuel, making a famine where abundance lies. Thyself thy foe, to thy sweet self so cruel. Though that art now the world's fresh ornament, and only herald to the gaudy spring, within thine, O bud, buryest thy content, and tender curl makest waste in niggarding. Pity the world, or else its glutton be, to eat the world's due by the grave and thee. Since brass, nor stone, nor earth, nor boundless sea, but sad mortality o'erwears we their power, how with this rage shall beauty hold a plea, whose action is no stronger than a flower? Oh, how shall summer's honey breath hold out against the wrathful siege of battering days, when rocks impregnable are not so stout, nor gates of steel so strong but time's decay? O fearful meditation, where, alack, shall time's best jewel from time's chest lie hid? Or what strong hand shall hold his swift foot back? Or what whose spoil of beauty can forbid? O none, unless this miracle have might, that in black ink my love my shine bright. So are you to my thoughts as food to life, or as sweet seasoned showers are to the ground. And for the peace of you I shall such strife, as twixt a miser and his wealth is found. Now proud as an enjoyer and anon, doubting the flinching age will steal his treasure, when counting best to be with you alone. Then battered that the world may see my pleasure, some time all full with feasting on your sight, and by clean starved for a look, possessing or pursuing no delight, save what is had or must from you be took. Thus do I pine and surfeit day by day, or gluttoning on all, or all away.